my name is Falk and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. Temporary states have one more really important feature or way of how they work, and this is they get persisted in the application. Let's look at the following example. Here we have a number of components, we have a number of these temporary states, we also have a data query, and in our example here I bound now this data query directly to the table. When I now just reload the application, we will see what happened. Everything got pretty much restored, only the table is not yet filled with data because we did not make the data query bind to the page load event, just said when I click manually. But you see that everything else is exactly filled as it was before. That means whenever you write something as initial value, init value here inside of the state, this will be persisted with the app. When you later publish or simply save the app, then this exact data will stay there. Why is this relevant? Sometimes you may want to hand over an application, for example, in the marketplace. In the marketplace, there is only for yourself your data source accessible, but for nobody else. Everyone has its own data sources. And this is how we can make use. We could just have, for example, this data query running. Then we take all the data that the data query comes. I would just put it to a new temporary state. Just really name it very simple. Just say here and copy the data. And then I would take the table and not bind it to the data query, but directly to my state value. Let's have it here, and there inside is my country. So I get the same table as you see. I just copied the output from the preview data query. And now if I refresh the page, then the table will be still there with the new data that is persisted via temporary state. So now I unconnected from the data query via the temporary state. So that is very interesting because you can predefine values and states and data for applications that you would like to publish even before they trigger any data query. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.